Hi everyone, yet another part of the course, and in this section we're going to be installing PyCharm. In the previous tutorial we installed Odoo on our Ubuntu, and Odoo is actually running, but it's not going to be very easy for us just running Odoo from our terminal, and so we're going to be using an editor called PyCharm. Okay, so PyCharm, you can download it from the website. PyCharm, definitely Ubuntu, depending on your operating system. If you like, you can do the Windows, but since we are using Ubuntu, you should download Ubuntu version. Okay, so once you go to download, you select between the professional and the community. The professional, you need to make some payments after you just have the opportunity to use PyCharm Professional for 30 days, but the community is free. But we'll be working with the community version for now. You can either download it here or you download from the store, Ubuntu Software Center. Once you search for PyCharm, you will be able to install it, the pro or the community. I have it installed already, and so we'll be working with that. Alright, so search PyCharm, and we'll wait for it to launch. Okay, so I just installed it on the system, and so I will say do not import anything settings. If you have some settings, you can decide to put yours there. I continue, listen, start. Alright, so I can choose the theme. I like black, so I choose the black. Do not use this V, it might not be so efficient for you. Well, you can proceed with other things. Start using PyCharm. So once PyCharm is loaded, you can open up the project. So we're going to open up Odoo. I'm going to open up Odoo. This is my directory, so we're going to open up Odoo. This is Odoo. But before I proceed, I'm going to do some touches to our file structure. Yes, Odoo. I will go straight to this. So I would like to create a folder. Let me just create like a folder called dev. I'll put Odoo inside. Alright, so Odoo is inside. Then I can shut down this. Definitely not working. So on my PyCharm, then I can decide to go to dev and open up dev. The reason why I'm doing this is because if you want to work on other projects, you might need to create things like this. Aside dev, you want to say add-on folders, maybe custom add-ons. You create, so you'll be able to reference your custom add-ons. So that's the reason why I did that. We are going to be creating our modules in the custom folder. You should not in any case create a custom folder, custom modules inside Odoo add-ons. No, it's very wrong. It's a bad practice. So once we've done this, we'll wait for PyCharm to index our code. It might take some time. Okay, so you can wait for that to index, and I'm going to be ending this section now. In the next section, I'm going to be talking about how to configure your PyCharm for smooth run of Odoo. So we are going to be working with that. I'll tell you how to configure on different ports, how to make your PyCharm reference your custom add-ons once we put some add-ons inside. So we'll be working with that in the next section of the tutorial. Thank you.